What a beautiful view it is, guys! Unexplored places of Gulmarg. Hello friends, welcome to our channel. This is a Kashmir series, and after Vaishnav Devi Darshan, we have travelled to Kashmir. On the way, we visited Patni Top Hill Station. In Kashmir, after visiting the top tourist destinations of Srinagar, now we are heading towards the next popular place, Gulmarg. To watch our previous videos, click the link above. With the sound of gushing rivers, aroma of pine trees, and the vibrancy of saffron, Kashmir surprises everyone. There are many places to visit in Kashmir, but most popular among tourists are Srinagar, Gulmarg, Pahalgam, and Sonmarg. There are other less visited places too, which includes Dudh Patri, Yusmarg, Pranswali, etc. So let's come with us and explore this paradise on earth. For all those who say that Jannat or paradise doesn't exist, I saw Jannat in Kashmir. Best time to visit Gulmarg depends upon what you want to enjoy. Both winters and summers have their own charm. In winters, the landscape is filled with snow, and you can enjoy winter sports like skiing and sledging. In summers, it is surrounded by colorful flowers and greenery all around, with a pleasant temperature, and the smell of lavender fills the heart and soul. Gulmarg is 2.5 hours drive from Srinagar. Tourists come here to experience the famous gondola ride, which is in 2 phases. The first phase ride is to Konduri at the height of 10,000 feet, and second phase is up to Abharvat Peak at 13,800 feet. The cost of gondola ride per person up to phase 1 is 740 rupees and 1690 rupees for phase 2. The timings of ride is 11 am to 3 pm of phase 1, and phase 2 is closed since it's under maintenance. Gulmarg has many golf courses, the Maharani Temple, St. Mary's Church, Alpathar Lake, and is also a popular skiing destination.
View it is, guys. The unexplored places of Gulmarg. There is absolutely no one around, and we are thinking of sitting here and having a brunch. It'll be so nice. Such a fantastic view in front of us. Nish, what do you say?
It's awesome.
Should we have a brunch over here?
Definitely, definitely.
How can anyone miss such a beautiful view? Then you can explore phase 1 either by walking or in a pony ride. Ice is still there. This entire is the phase 2, but due to maintenance work, phase 2 is closed.
Joy, how is the Maggie in this chill weather?
Stick along with us as the journey continues.